Hi guys, you're probably wondering why is there a towel in here? Well, my mum ran out of wrapping paper, so she decided to get me something in here. So I don't know what it is, but it feels like a bag, so I'm excited to open it. But she ran out of wrapping paper, so make sure to smash the thumbs up for this video, hit that subscribe button, and let's see what my mum just gave me. And she ran out of wrapping paper, so she could practically get my favourite colour towel, pink and purple, which is not purple in here though. Okay, I don't want to look. Okay. Oh, microcosm. A microcosm bag. I'm going to put something in the middle as well. In the middle. Dolce Gabbana. Mirror. I love my mum. I absolutely love my mum. Look! What the hell? And my mum is also wrapping me something for later. My mum is also wrapping me something now. So I'm just going to go over here because I just saw a massive spider. And I'm trying to look for it. Oh my god, what the hell is it? Where are my shoes? Okay, no guys, I can't find it, but what the hell? Me and my mum hates being on camera. She told me to bring the towel, and I cursed my. Oh! Some new booty trainers. Gross. These are my cousins. Oh my god.